Good day everyone, it's Grizz and Taffy. We're out on the bikes and it's Taffy's first, well actually no, not her first, it's her second voyage out on her bike since she's serviced it all. She took it for the MOT yesterday and it's passed, so now she's all taxed, MOT'd and insured for another year, and her bike is definitely not requiring any more work. So yeah, it's just riding. As for me, I've still got things to sort out, but the sun's out, it's looking glorious out, so it's time to get the bikes out and go for a ride and enjoy a bit of this summer sun. Yeah, I thought I'd bring the monster out today, just my shoulder's still not really right, and riding the Hayabusa seems to aggravate it that bit more, so yeah, I thought I'd go a little bit easier on it and take the monster, because the monster's not so bad on my shoulder. But anyway, see if we can get rid of some of this traffic, get and have a bit of fun maybe. So we're going to stick a bit of a ride in. What I'll do though is we'll pull over and I'll have a chat with Taffy and a chat with her about her first impressions from all the changes that we've made to her bike, and yeah, and how she's getting on with it. Basically, we have a little chat with the Taffmeister. But anyway, we're going through Barrington Combe, and yeah, we're going to do a little lapsy of. Some have called this the Somerset TT, or is it the Mendip TT? That's it, yeah, it's the Mendip TT. I know. So yeah, lots to come. Let's have a little ridey and then we'll have a little chat with the Taffmeister re her bike. I really want to hoon these corners. Hoonage required. Right, Taffy, first kind of proper maiden, well, you had a voyage yesterday for the MOT, and you've done like a bunch of work, you've done like masses of servicing work, and like I said, it was primarily done by you, really. I was just there overseeing and kind of giving you some support, a cup of tea, yeah, some support. And just making sure things were torqued up properly. But on from that, you've done a lovely job on the bike. Let's just have a little quick look. She's like polished up the exhaust. She's done loads of work basically to the bike. You've done all the fluids, like I said. I just told you everything that you've done. But basically, how did you find it? How are you getting on? It's been how long since you've last rode?
Too long. 5 months? Maybe?
5. It's got to be at least 5 months, I reckon.
Yeah.
So, and yeah, way too long. But yeah, how are you finding it now?
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, really good.
What do you like about it more so now?
Well, what I like about it, well, is as you know, there was the wiring loom in the way, so steering is slightly better.
Right, so on that, look guys, I'll just show you. I'll show you what she means. I'll sit on it to show you. Basically, I was unaware that it was that bad, but can you see down here, like all down in the steering lock here, this area, the wires were kind of proud and stood out, and it was interfering with the free movement of the steering, and I wasn't actually that aware of it. I just rode it and it felt fine, but Taffy did report to me that it was kind of felt stiff on the steering sometimes. You weren't happy with it, were you? Oh, sugar standing on your foot, I'm sorry. But that is much improved now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's new.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, fantastic.
That's new. So that's one of the main things. Does it feel like it's got a bit more go or something now?
Yes, yeah, second gear, it's like, woo,
It's off.
it's off.
Goes.
Flies away, yeah.
Flying like the wind. Yeah.
Really good. No, it's perfect.
Yes.
It's like new. It's like new, I think.
I reckon it's like new. I reckon that is like better than new because we've got a few kind of mods in there with all the carbon and I don't know really what you would say it is better than new. But you're really happy with it, aren't you? We're going to do a few little bits more, like sort out the little scratches on the exhaust. What else are we going to do? What other things? Oh, change some of the nuts and bolts. We did like we bought like some cheapo fairing nuts, like these black things. Or bolts, whatever you want to call them. We're going to just change a few more just to kind of black it out a bit more. But yeah, I've yet to ride it. I will do a ride of this because I'm going to ride it to work at some point. Taffy doesn't know this. And change this other RNG bar. Yeah, she doesn't know. This side I need to get off and I couldn't get it off because it's an engine mount for the engine, so that needs to come off and I'll take that in work and get that done. So I'll have a little ride of Taffy's bike and give you more of an onboard experience. Sorry, a little bit ill prepared today with the cameras, so we're doing just a little bit of a makeshifty vlog just to kind of report in with you guys and give you some kind of update on the bikes. So
Hope you're all well.
yeah hope you're all well, guys.
Lovely weather we're having.
Yeah, it's certainly a break from what we have had, wasn't it? Yeah, it's good. So yeah, anything else you want to say about your bike?
Well, it doesn't feel like it's any lower.
No, the lowering bars, the lowering links.
No, it just feels more, like you said, it's more of a, instead of my hands being more on the handlebars, it's just more upright.
We think, well, it is, as we knew, that changing those lowering links, it was only a small change, wasn't it? So I think probably you could have maybe even a bigger drop to really make it a difference, but at the moment it's not a massive difference. But like I said, I'm pretty sure we need to soften off that rear shock a bit, and then when you sit on it you just might come down just a little bit more. So we need to set this bike up. Also, something I forgot to mention, we had already adjusted these front forks so they were down a little bit, so the actual geometry from standard is probably about the same at the moment because the front end's lowered as much as it can go, the back end's lowered slightly, so I don't think there's a massive difference. But we will do some kind of setup with the suspension and get you to sit up on it and set all the lag and whatever else through the suspension, get it set up for you properly. It's been a time since I've done that, but I have done it before, and we'll set that up for you properly. And then I think then you just might find that back end when you sit on it will just lower just that little bit more, and it might give you a bit more. But you did find things like reversing on it, trying to kind of go backwards, you could get your foot maybe just a tiny bit more, a little bit more grip, a little bit more grip.
A little helps, to be honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, she's a happy little.
You're happy with it.
Yeah.
You're happy to have your baby back.
Well,
she's happy. You feel she's happy.
Fresh.
That engine is just now so sweet, isn't it? We changed. Well, you changed the plugs, and yeah, we put fresh fuel in there and cleaned it out, and it just now sounds so good on startup. Let's give them a little sample. We won't make too much noise because we're in a we're in a public place here. But yeah, it sounds so much better now. We won't give too much. But it's lovely. We're not going to do too much of that. Should we go? Because I don't want to be rude here outside someone's house. And we'll just have a bit more of a ride. Okay? High five, dude. High 10. High 10. Not 5. That's 5? That's 10. Oh, it's too slow. Right, let's go. Jeez, before she makes you more of an idiot. And you see these filling up, we stop for fuel, and I mean, I said use premium or super premium, but I don't know, I think I'm a bit past using those. Right, let's get riding. Let's ride some more. bloody glorious day, guys. Look at that. Glorious. Absolutely perfect. Perfect day out for a ride. Perfectamundo. Okay. Rev off is on. So whose is louder? Is it mine or Taffy's? Taffy's still sounds good. Right, so we've been out riding for like how long now? 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Yeah. We've had some nice riding. Shoulder is just like hanging in there. Let's have a little look at Taffy's bike. It is stunning. It's a stunning bike, and yeah, I love it. I'm half tempted to buy one of these, but I'll drop onto that with you on another vlog. But yeah, Taffy's bike. It's gorgeous. Sounds nice. Certainly looks lovely. It doesn't sound nice, it sounds amazing. Let's get that right. But yeah, I think job well done by Taffy, getting her bike together. And yeah, with my help too. But yeah, what a pair of stunners. I've really enjoyed riding the Monster today. It's been a fun ride, and looking forward to having a little go if Taffy will let me. No. Yes. No. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I might have to do the washing up for a week or something before we can do a few house chores before she'll let me have a go. But anyway, shall we hit the road? Let's hit the road. I take you to the dirtiest places. Most women wouldn't complain about things like that.
Look at this.
Most women would. It was clean. It was clean. Do you have many stone chips coming up from the Monster?
No.
No? Not like the 916? Got to get that 916 out on the road. Yeah. So I can throw some pebbles at you again.
Oh, can't wait.
Right. Let's go. Let's bloody go. Right, off we go. Off we toddle back home for a cup of tea and some crumpets. So it's been a beautiful day. It's been a little bit on the cold side, but really actually very nice. Certainly didn't need all my winter kit on. Where is the Taffmeister? Oh, here she comes. Yeah, it's been a gorgeous day. Couldn't have asked for a better day, really. Absolutely lovely. Absolutely lush. Here she goes. She's off. Taffmeister, she's not hanging around today. Throwing the gauntlet down for the Monster. Okay, let's go back and see he's okay. You okay? You come off on the R6? Have you got someone to come get you? Have you got someone to come get you?
Yeah, mate, mine's coming in his van. We're going to back the van and take it over.
Oh, cool. You alright?
Yeah, all good, yeah. It was pretty slow, to be honest.
Yeah.
Went down.
Did you lose the front or something?
Pardon?
Lose the front or something?
It's just, yeah, like I said, just sort of...
Gravel. Oh, I'm sorry, mate.
No, it's alright. These things happen, don't they?
Yeah. No, I thought I'd check on you. I seen you and I was like, oh shit, is he alright? And I seen your bike after down the road and I was like, I need to turn around.
Someone's sat in levers with no bike.
Yeah, no, not good, is it? No. Alright, buddy.
No, all good.
Alright.
Stopping.
Cool. No worries. Cheers, mate. Go. Fucking dickheads. Fucking knob. Oh well. So there you go. Doing our bit, looking after fellow bikers. Just wanted to check on him to make sure he was okay. It's pretty dangerous, to be honest, trying to turn around up here. Far from ideal. Still a bit dodgy out on the roads because there's lots of nutters about. Maybe one of them's me, but anyway, yeah, he was okay. He's not sure what happened, but he lost it on the corner. It was an R6, and yeah, he's got a mate coming to pick him up. So with a van, so he's fine. And he was fine himself, didn't hurt himself, so all good. Anyway, we are going to go home and yeah, have a brew and a chill and debate about today's sagas. This monster is a lot of fun. It's lots of flipping fun. Boys are coming up and down. Alright, that's enough, guys. Thanks for watching. We're done for the day. Going home for a brew. Take care of the peeps. Much love. Cheers now. Catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye.